Hi everyone, it's Kathie Ryan here in Bundaberg, Queensland, and you see before you red old LP, and there's the yellow. I want to do a sandwich pour on this one, so I've put the red paint on and I have all my colours here, and I'm just going to put them on like this. There's no silicone in any of these colours because I don't know that I actually want any cells. However, I do have Floetrol in the pouring medium. Okay, so that's that. And I have blue, and I know they're getting a bit dribbly, but that won't matter either. So the recipes for these colours and the pouring medium you'll find below. Show more under the video. And I'm using red, yellow, blue as you can see, and white, and maybe just a dribble of black here and there. Oops, that was a bit too big a dribble. Right. And now some yellow. On there, and some white again, some of these. I think a little red on some too. I've got red on the back, so on the base I should say, so probably don't need a lot of red, but I'll mix up some of these colours a bit. And where's the black? Interesting. Getting a bit of a pattern up already. Under Show More as well, you'll find a link to my Facebook group, which is Australia Art Dreaming, and you're more than welcome to come and join us over there. Okay, a dot on that one. So I'm hoping I have enough paint. I think I have on the record, because I'm not putting any paint on this other one. It's just has a blue or white tack there to cover that hole, and yummy sandwich. So here's hoping that's all. It didn't do a good job, did it? Alright, let's see what we have, and I'm just going to turn it over. Oops, slipped it in. Oh, that's all right. And I will move it over. And I think I need more white, so that's all right as well. This is how we do that. Add some white on here where it has missed a little bit. Maybe some yellow there, just around here. Right, and then back on, another little squish, and hopefully not drop it this time. Yep, still did a little bit. Very pretty. Okay, I really like these. Just letting it come down a little bit. And then back to the centre maybe. That one is really, really pretty. And let me see here. I have rather a lot of paint. And you know, I might just get another, where's the cloth? Wipe my hands, and before I pour that off, I will get another record. I shall be a second. Typical, isn't it? Just when you want to hurry, everything sticks to your cold hands. Bit of glue. Come on, where are you, sticky? There she is. Take a little bit off. I just put it like that. Move these paints out of the way. Where was I taking it? I was going to take it down like this for a bit. And around. They're very slippery, and because they're circular, they're a bit hard to hold. Yes, I like this one as well. But it does have too much paint, so that's why I'm taking some off. I'll just bring that over. just about right. Oh, so pretty. Okay, so that's that one too. And I will just put it there. Now this one that I've just done, oh goodness, that's nice as well. Trying not to cover too much of that I just scribbled on. Some blue perhaps. Getting a bit of cell activity here, which is okay. I might just do that. Wiggle up my colours a bit. Now I can tip it off. So I have 3. I'll just bring this down. I'm actually stretching out the colours in the centre here. Just a tad. And I'm going to leave it at that. So I have 3. I don't think I'm going to get that one up. But if I wipe my hands off, I can still bring you down to have a look, because I think you'll really like these. They're very pretty. I'm just bringing some of this around a bit. I'm happy. And the colours underneath here. You can see I'm bringing them out. Alright. Now I can take that up a bit more. Going to come down. It is very slowly. the centre a bit. So I'll wipe my hands off and then I'll bring you down to have a closer look at all three. Oh dear, oh dear. That's what I didn't want. See if I can... I've dribbled. That'll be alright, I think. Yes, that's alright. Wipe my grubby hands and I'll bring you down to have a look. Yeah. If you haven't already subscribed, please do click the little bell and you'll be notified then as I put more videos onto YouTube. Please share too if you wish. This is the first one, though, the one that I put the paint on, and it's really, as you can see, very, very pretty. I like this one. Then this is the one that I put on the top and squished, and you can see it has a little bit of cell activity, probably from, as I said, the Floetrol, and I really like these. This one's very pretty, and this is the runoff one, but I just added a bit of more paint to it. And it's really quite pretty itself. Well, thank you very much for watching, and I hope you've enjoyed. Please give this the thumbs up, and I'll catch you in the next one. Bye for now.